Hey guys, back with another video for my addictive blogging channel. So I have with me the Amazfit GTS 3 smartwatch, which can be one of the best smartwatches you can get in the premium segment category. And this watch is also customizable. That means you can install third-party watch faces for the Amazfit GTS 3, which entirely changes the way the Amazfit GTS 3 looks. First of all, it comes with a beautiful display and the blacks are really dark. You cannot even differentiate between the black in the screen and the background. And on top of that, the colors look really beautiful on this watch. So in this video, I will discuss about the top custom watch faces which you can download for the Amazfit GTS 3 smartwatch, which entirely will change the look of this watch and definitely will make this watch one of the best looking smartwatches in the premium segment category. So as always, this will be a sick video guys, and if you are taken to see us, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up because I will be making more videos like this. So first of all, to download the watch faces, you need to install the Amazfaces app, which is the app to install third-party watch faces for Amazfit watches. And once you have installed, you need to just click and select the watch you need to configure for the watch faces. So here I have selected GTS 3. On top of that, when you will be downloading the watch faces, you just need to click on download, and in here you need to give the MAC address. So where you will get the MAC address is definitely in the settings. So in the settings, if you go to system, after that in the about section you will get the Bluetooth option. So this is the MAC address which you need to put here, and after you put the MAC address, you will be able to download the watch faces for the Amazfit GTS 3 from this app. And also, in order to download, please connect your watch first to the Zap app, which is the official app for the GTS 3 or Amazfit watches. So let's see the best looking watch faces right now right here. So the first watch face on the list is this beautiful watch face, which looks really great. So it resembles the Nike edition Apple Watch face for the Apple Watch, and definitely this also has the color or gradient, you can say, of blue and pink, which really looks good on this Amazfit GTS 3. So there are a lot of information also which is displayed in this watch face. First of all, it displays you the temperature in here, the battery percentage, the heart rate information and the step count. So this watch face looks really good, and also this watch face comes with the shortcut. So if you want to go to the heart rate from this watch face directly, you can just tap on that and you will be able to go and measure the heart rate instantly. Also it will enable you to show the step count from here, and this is the temperature, so it will go to weather, and definitely this is the battery percentage. So this is not configured to any shortcut, but it looks really good on the watch. So let's see whether there is any always on display configured for this watch face. So the always on display is a basic one, but it definitely looks good and goes with the watch face with the blue second hand, the black AMOLED screen, and definitely it looks really good on the watch. So this watch face comes with the name of New Nike, and you can see it is designed by Don Van Eur, and this is compatible with GTS 3, and this is an Apple watch face and it looks really good. So this watch face you can definitely download for the Amazfit GTS 3 smartwatch from the Amazfit app. So the next watch face on the list is this Casio Spaceman watch face, which looks really good on this watch, and because of the colors used in this watch face, this changes entirely the look of this watch. So this watch face has the Casio branding on the top, and also you can see it displays you the time in this digital format. It shows you some of the information like the step count here. So there is no steps I have taken with this watch, that's why the rate counter has not gone too far. And also it shows you the battery information here with the heart rate, and there is this Spaceman logo. So definitely a good looking watch face, and you can download this from the Amazfit app for the Amazfit GTS 3 smartwatch. Also, let's see whether this watch face comes with any of the always on display. So the always on display is a basic one, and it shows you the time in this digital format. So you can download this from the Amazfit app, comes with the name of Casio Modern, and you can see how good this watch face looks on the watch. So definitely I will recommend you to download this watch face for the Amazfit GTS 3 as it will look extremely good on this watch. So the next watch face on the list is known as the Techno Digital watch face, and this watch face also looks really good on this Amazfit GTS 3. It comes with this black background. There are really gears in this watch face which looks extremely good, and the colors used in this watch face is also really good. So the colors used is this blue fluorescent color which just glows on this black AMOLED background, and also it comes with this time information in digital format and analog format, and this is the date it is showing here. So this watch face also comes with a good looking AOD. So if you go to the AOD, you will see that it just glows on this black screen showing you the time, and this is also a really good looking watch face you can download from the Amazfit app. Comes with the name Techno Digital, and this watch face you can get directly from the Amazfit app itself. So the next watch face on the list is the Rolex Skeleton watch face, and this also looks really good. One of the best looking watch faces you can get for the Amazfit GTS 3. This watch face also shows you the time here with this gold color second and minute hand, and there is this dark background with a lot of gears in it. Also it shows you this Hublot branding on the top, and really good looking watch face you can get for the Amazfit GTS 3 smartwatch. So here in the top it is showing you the month. So now it is the 5th month, that is May month going on. So in the top it is pointing to 5, so that you can understand that the 5th month is going on. And this watch face also has a good looking always on display. So this is the always on display you will get with this watch face, which looks really good on this black background. So this is also one of the best looking watch faces you can get for the Amazfit GTS 3 smartwatch. So the next watch face on the list which looks amazing on this Amazfit GTS 3 is the Rolex Skeleton watch face. This watch face also has this Rolex brand. It is in this grey color. You can see there is a little bit of light reflection on the corners which just give this watch face a really good look on this watch. And also there is gears in the background which just makes this watch face look even better in there. So it shows you the time in this analog format. Also it comes with an always on display. So the always on display is a basic one but really goes with the watch face. So you can download this watch face also from the Amazfit app. Comes with the name of Rolex Skeleton Silver, and this is also designed by Don Van Ur. So one of the best designers for the good looking watch faces for Amazfit GTS 3 smartwatch. So kudos to that guy who has designed this watch face. So these are few of the good looking watch faces you can get for the Amazfit GTS 3, or you can say the best looking watch faces right now for Amazfit GTS 3, and definitely a lot of more watch faces will be getting added for this Amazfit GTS 3 in the future. So that's it guys, I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. Thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.